أهلا، أخبارك إيه؟ Also, like عامل إيه? What are you doing? كيف حالك؟ عامل إيه? What are you doing? We also say أخبارك إيه in Egypt. أخبارك إيه? Any good news? So أخبار in Arabic means news. News أخبار. أخبارك your news. أخبارك إيه is what is your news. أخبارك إيه. أخبارك إيه. So we say كيف حالك in modern standard Arabic, and in Egypt we say different forms. We say ازيك. Also we say عامل إيه, what are you doing. Also we say أخبارك إيه, do you have any new news, and so on. أهلا، أخبارك إيه؟ الحمد لله رب العالمين. الحمد لله رب العالمين. الحمد لله in Arabic is الحمد is thank or thanks. لله to God. So الحمد لله thanks to God. And الحمد لله رب العالمين is a verse in the Holy Quran, and it is really widespread said in the Egyptian streets. So usually we say Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen for Muslims, and also for non-Muslims they say Alhamdulillah. So it is really very familiar to the ear, and you will hear it a lot. So usually when somebody says Izzayak, you say Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. So I thank God that I am alright, or I am good. Alhamdulillah. So thanks to God. Rabb al-Alamin, so Rabb is the master, or the protector. Al-Alamin, so the worlds, so the master of the worlds. Alhamdulillah Rabb al-Alamin means the master, thanks to God, the master of the world. انت عامل ايه؟ كويس؟ الحمد لله. ايوه انا تمام. We say انا كويس. This is another reply or another response. It means that everything is complete at my side, or that means that I am alright and everything is good. Tamam means that everything is complete. From tamma, the verb tamma, it's already completed. أكلمك بعد الظهر؟ خلاص نتكلم تاني بعد الظهر. مع السلامة. أكلمك بعد الظهر. So أكلمك means to speak to you, to talk to you. So يتكلم, this is the verb in modern standard Arabic, means to speak, or to talk. يتكلم. أكلمك in standard Arabic, in modern standard Arabic, هل ممكن أن أتكلم معك؟ أكلمك in standard Arabic. If you transfer it into the Arabic dialect, the Egyptian Arabic dialect, it will be أكلمك. So أكلمك in modern standard Arabic is أكلمك in the Egyptian dialect of Cairo. So أكلمك, to speak to you, to talk to you. بعد الظهر is the noon. So بعد is after. So بعد الظهر, afternoon. بعد الظهر. أكلمك بعد الظهر, to talk to you afternoon. And finally we end with مع السلامة. So مع السلامة is a form, the Egyptian Arabic dialect form of السلام عليكم. It's also the same. مع السلامة is with peace, with safety, with protection. And مع السلامة, مع with السلامة is peace or safety. So مع السلامة, we say مع السلامة, or in Arabic it is السلام عليكم. In modern standard Arabic السلام عليكم, and sometimes we say also السلام عليكم, so we can say both. So I think now you have an idea about a typical Arabic conversation, telephone conversation in Egyptian Arabic. This is not difficult, and we will get into different situations where I use the Egyptian dialect, and I will explain each situation closely so that you don't have a problem in the Arabic language. Thanks a lot for you watching, and don't forget to share, don't forget to like this, and also don't forget to check my social media, and I hope that you learn the language as fast as possible. Thank you very much, and see you in future videos.